Okay, it's Sunday the next day, and here's all the parts. I just got done washing them. Some warm dish soap, so they're clean enough for painting. Got them in front of the fan here to dry them out. I think they're going to be okay. I just need to mask them up and go hang them in the garage and give them a squirt of paint. So they're room temperature, which will be good for painting. We'll warm the garage up as much as we can. So it should come out okay. Okay, today's Sunday, January 27th, 2019. So I'm all set up to paint here. I have the parts have been cleaned. First they were wire brushed to clean them up, and then they were washed in just detergent, soapy water, and I've masked them off. I'm going to start spraying just plain old duplicolored caliper paint. I've used this on my other bike, and it's okay. It's not impervious to brake fluid, but what paint is. So as you can see, step back a bit here, got everything hung up, ready to go, got good lighting. It's a little bit cool. The thermometer's saying 54 degrees, but the parts are warm. They're room temperature from the house. The paint's room temperature from the house. I got heat going on in here. That's all I got. And I think the air temperature is a little bit higher than what the thermometer's saying. So we're going to go ahead and start spraying. I'll give you a shot when we're done. So here we are, the first coat's done. I'm going to let it sit for about half an hour and then come back and hit it with a second coat. I think it's looking pretty good. They're nice flat black. We'll see how it looks in the end. I think it'll be better than it was before. That's what we're aiming for anyway. Coat number 2 is flashing off right now. I think it's going to turn out pretty good. Didn't show you the in-between coat, but it's got a nice flat satin color to it, so exactly what you want on your brake parts. So used about a half a can of paint.